Hi, in this video we're going to unbox the Clavier Supersonic portable Bluetooth speaker. From this box you can see this is what the Bluetooth speaker is going to look like. It sports a retro design and there's a much larger image over here, and that's more or less all the information on this box. Let's just open it and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual. This is what you need to, there you go. This is the user manual, instruction manual for the Clavier Supersonic Bluetooth speaker. Should read it at least once. This is a 3.5mm cable for when you want to plug it manually. This is the micro USB charging cable for this particular speaker. And this is what the speaker looks like. It has this nice dark gray matte finish. And it has this retro design as well. This is very compact. Super compact in fact, and it's also solidly built. You're not going to drop it and break it anytime soon. These are the built-in remote controls. So there's a power button, there's a track changing button, and also a mode button for when you want to switch through different modes. And these are the subwoofers that comes with it. As you can see, you can actually feel them. There are a couple of ports on this side. There is a micro USB charging port, a USB-A slot, a 3.5mm port, and also a TF card slot. There are also two anti-grip stops right underneath, so it'll give you it'll bring a lot of stability for when you want to put it down on a flat surface while listening to music. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Clavier Supersonic portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.